respected director sir, teachers, and my dear friend. Today we are going to speak about the past achievement science in India. India has a glorious scientific heritage. In ancient time, great mathematicians like Aryabhatta calculated the value of pi, explained that the earth rotates on its axis. India also gave the world the concept of zero, which became the foundation of modern maths. Thank you.
In the field of medicine, Suchitra advocates in traditional system of
Ancient India was also advanced in astronaut metallurgy and engineering. The rust-free iron pillar in Delhi is an example for our scientific knowledge.
This achievement proves that India was a center of knowledge and innovation even in ancient times. We should feel proud of our rich scientific past and continue this legally. Thank you.